whatever number of pigs you own, there are certain legal requirements that have to be followed. Before you even get pigs, you need to actually have a CPH number. That's a county parish holding number that's obtained from the Rural Payment Agency. And then you need, once you've got pigs, you need a herd mark that's obtainable from your animal health office, your local animal health office. And then once you've got those pigs under that legal framework, you need to actually follow other legal requirements because you're then a pig owner. And those are actually specified in the Code of Welfare. It's a legal requirement to identify your pigs for traceability reasons and disease control reasons. So that is a requirement to have a permanent identification, and that's done with ear tags or ear tattoos. And in slaughter pigs and certain other pigs, it can be by shoulder slapping. So those are the three methods. Tattooing is also a requirement for the pedigree side of pig keeping, where the British Pig Association need individual pig tattoos in birth registered pigs. It's a requirement under the Primo Regulations 2011. That's the Pigs Recording, Identification and Movement Order 2011 for all movement of pigs to be a licensed movement. That means that you have to obtain a general pig movement license, and that movement has to be recorded through the Animal and Horticultural Development Board, PORC, in order to be able to move those pigs. And that can be done electronically or through a paper-based bureau, and that license is a requirement for the movement of any pigs off your unit. If you move any pigs onto your pig farm, even pigs from a local show, there is a standstill period that you have to follow. If those pigs come on and you wanted to move pigs off within the 20 days following the movement on, that's an illegality. You're not allowed to do that. If pigs come on and you wish to remove cattle, sheep or goats off, then the standstill period is 6 days. That is as a disease slowing measure. It's actually to stop disease spreading so fast. In terms of the legal aspects of keeping your pigs, there is a mandatory requirement to record certain things about your pigs. All movements both on and off the unit have to be recorded in a movement book, and those records have to be retained for 6 years at least. In addition, there needs to be a record of the average number of pigs that you keep on that unit in a year. Also, when it comes to treatment of your pigs, any retreatment required, whether it's in feed, by water or by injection, has to be recorded in a recognised legal format. All purchases of medicines and use of medicines has to be recorded on that format. And most importantly, the withdrawal period for any meat-producing pigs has to be put in. The latest withdrawal period is crucial. In addition to those legal requirements, it also is a requirement for all pig keepers to actually obtain a code of recommendations for welfare of pigs from whichever government authority administration your area is in. That can be downloaded from the websites of those authorities. And that actual code is quite an easily read document that specifies, outlines and embellishes some aspects of how pigs must be kept. That code is a requirement for all pig keepers to have on the farm, for their staff to have access to, and indeed for the staff to have instruction on carrying out the requirements within that code. And it's based on those 5 freedoms, so-called, of pigs. There are legal requirements to your keeping pigs, but these are not too onerous to actually comply with, and certainly not a barrier to you really enjoying keeping pigs.